If you have no experience in the field you're looking for, you might consider applying for remote jobs. This type of employment is growing in popularity, but there are some things you need to know before applying for a job. Listed below are some tips on finding a job that suits your skills and interests. Creating a list of strengths will make the search process more manageable. You can consider what you enjoy doing, your skills and talents and interests. It is your boy, Willie D. Jarnett. I will discuss 9 top paying remote jobs with no experience required. I'll also provide the job titles in the video. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys, take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Okay, tonight we're going to do something a little bit different. Now we're going to speak on work from home jobs, but this is what I'm going to do first. I want to go through and give you 9 top paying remote jobs. And what I want to do, and we're not going to go to the actual sites, but I want you to jot these down so you can see if these type of jobs are for you. So the first one that we're going to talk about is translation. Translation is a very good job. It is a job that I have a lot of job fields that are out there, and we're not going to go through that tonight, but I just want you to go ahead and think about when it comes to working online. I want this video to be where you can think about what opportunities you could do. But translation is a great job because it's a lot of people speaks a different language. You know, we have a lot of people here in the United States and they need some translation, or you can be a translator from like a Zoom call or a online way of being able to help people to translate what is going on. So there is work out there for you on that. But like I said, tonight we're not going to go into the actual sites. We're just going to give you the categories so you could make that choice for yourself. Okay, our next opportunity is customer service. Customer service is an excellent way to make money online. Be honest with you, most of your calls, if you call for some kind of support with Xfinity or Dish Network or it's another satellite network, the reason why it takes you so long to get to customer service because they are remote jobs that are right there at people's homes. Actually, I have talked to some of the people that are doing remote jobs, so this will be a nice way to make money online and not have to deal with the pandemic. So they're out there, so it's there. I'm just giving you something to think about when it comes to want to make money online. What's your choices? Okay, now our next category is online tutor. Now with the wave of pandemic going back and forth, this will be an awesome opportunity for you to be able to teach online. And I do know the people who do homeschool, some of those people have to deal with people online. Some of their teachers are kind of networked online. So online tutor is a awesome job if you want to do, and just jotting these down and make sure you think about what opportunity that is out there. Okay, let's go to number 4. Number 4 is virtual assistants. It is a very powerful job. And the way you look for virtual assistants are their jobs. You can look them up on Upworks or Indeed, and there are people looking for people, and virtual assistant is like, you start out a business, for example, and that business get kind of big Well, you can't do everything. So you reach out and hire a virtual assistant, and that virtual assistant handles certain things for you, and that particular client pays you. So that's what a virtual assistant does. And you just find out what the criteria, what they want, and see if you and even though we're at our fourth actual category for jobs, one thing I want you to remember, all of these jobs you have to have some kind of skill. I'm just telling you, if you look at my channel and you're here looking for jobs, you have to have some kind of skills. It's just, you can't have nothing and plan on working for these companies. They want to have some kind of skills available. So that's just the way it is. So our next job is teaching English online. That is a very powerful subject because a lot of people need to know the proper grammatical things that you need to do when it comes to English. And if you're not certified, there are ways to get certified. Now, I don't have it on this video. I can do research to find out companies who can help you get certified as far as being able to teach English. You don't have to go and get a bachelor's degree to be able to teach English. If you were great in high school, you can get certified where you can teach English online. So that is very powerful to be able to accomplish that and not have to sit in the classroom, children that you have to discipline. Because most of your people that eventually need tutoring online is going to teaching online, they're going to be serious. So that's the advantage. Okay, and that was number 5. Okay, the next one is a call center representative. Now, it's a lot of people that does call center for companies, and they're out there for work that you can do. I just want to, like I said, I want to make sure you jot these notes down, and I'll have this written on the actual screen so you can just jot these down to give you a thought pattern of what you might want to do as far as work online. So call center representative, it can be various jobs in that, and that pays pretty good if you become efficient. So, but I do know this, if you are a call center representative, you got to speak real well, you got to articulate pretty well, and you have to multitask when things come about. And most of the jobs that will hire you in that particular area will have things already worked up for what's your responsibility supposed to be. So just want to let you know. Now, our number 7 job that you can work at the house is proofreading. Now, this is a touchy subject. If you are a proofreader, you gonna have your grammar has to be pretty good. So you won't miss out, because if you are hired for a company to proofread, certain things come in. It could be ebook, it could be books, it could be anything that you have to come in and proofread. You have to know the English language well, and you have to know grammatical errors well. So like I said, if you on a borderline, you need to get that too granular, or go in. And if you want to get better in all of these categories that I'm showing you tonight, it is a site called Udemy, and I'll make sure I have that too. You can go there, and some of the courses are free. You can go there and they will teach you the skills. So there's no excuse. If you want to work online, they will teach you the skills. And if you do have to pay for the course, man, they're $5 and $6. So the highest I may have seen on these courses, no more than $15 to $20. So if $20 is worth for you to have a career. So I'm just telling you, you want to make sure you got a skill. I'm starting to say that in every last one of my videos, because I don't want you to jump on this road and you think that it's a job out there and you don't have no kind of skills. They're not going to hire you. So now number 8 is called data entry specialist. Now, this one is probably, that you're going to have some skills on this. Now, right now in front of me, I don't know the breakdown of what the company wants, but most of the jobs I have done on data entry, they be specific of what you're working with. think about a database entry. So it's some things you got to know in the IT type deal. I don't know that for sure because I don't have it in front of me, but it's something that you got to know in the IT field. So I'm telling you, data entry is something that you probably need to work with as if you are fluent with that. And in this particular deal, you probably gonna have to have some decent typing skills. So just make sure you know that. And then the next one is called Content Moderator. Yeah, this is for people that do protocol for companies. Let me give you an example. If there's any information that's going out there to, like, you represent a company and there's information that's going out to social media, you try to squash that. You try to watch that. You try to make sure they're not putting out bad information for this company. So you're like a moderator, so that company don't get a lot of negative rap. But that's the kind of stuff you got to do. You as a content moderator, you have to watch out how people are doing socially, and if that person works for that company and they putting a bad mark on it, that's the situation where that individual has to be counseled to make sure if he wants to retain his job. So that's what I'm talking about by a content moderator. You want to keep the fires away from social media, because social media can really put a bad name on a company. So just want to kind of go through these 9 work from home job categories, and then eventually as we trickle on, and then we'll start going back through these categories and we'll announce companies that related to these categories. Just wanted to kind of do this video to give you a brainstorm, to brainstorm your mind. Guys, take care. I'll see you on the next training. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.